Hello friends, this is Ram. He lives in Daulatabad, a village near Agra in Uttar Pradesh. His father is the village administrative officer. He helps in maintaining the records, collects land revenues, protects the rights of the tenants, sorts out the disputes over them, issues certificates to farmers for loans after inspection of records, etc. How do you think the East India Company performed such administrations along the countryside? We already learned that the Mughal emperor appointed the East India Company as the Diwan of Bengal on the 12th of August 1765. As a Diwan, the company became the chief financial administrator of the territory under its control. Though the company had become the Diwan, it still saw itself primarily as a trader. They were keen in increasing their revenue and buy fine cotton and silk cloth as cheaply as possible. Before 1865, the company had purchased goods in India by importing gold and silver from Britain, and now the revenue collected in Bengal could finance them in purchase of goods for export. Due to this, the Bengal economy was facing a deep crisis. What do you think could have been the changes in life of common men in Bengal? Artisans were deserting villages since they were being forced to sell their goods to the company at low prices. Peasants were unable to pay the dues that were being demanded from them. Artisanal production was in decline and agricultural cultivation showed signs of collapse. And thus, in 1770, a terrible famine killed 10 million people in Bengal and about one-third of the population was wiped out. Could the company be certain of its revenue income during such crisis? The company officials began to feel the uncertainty in revenue and hence the need for investment in land and agriculture was foreseen, and thus the system of permanent settlement was introduced in 1793. By the terms of this settlement, the Rajas and Talukdars were recognized as Jamindars. They were